I just wanted to see, try out the waters.
The DaytonMADE camps are camps designed for high school students to expose them to biomanufacturing in the region. The camps are also aimed at serving students that may have not had previous experience to STEM or other STEM outreach in the area.
Oh, I learned a lot about bacteria and how we can actually insert genes into the bacteria and make them do things that we want them to do.
I know the beakers of water are hot.
This is the first year we've done this, and so far so good. It's been a learning experience for both the students and faculty. I'm learning quite a bit about what high schoolers know about science and biochemistry in particular. The students are learning a lot about laboratory techniques, biomanufacturing jobs, also college life. So one of the things that we did with the students is we took them on a tour of the Wright State campus, and one of the biggest highlights was me seeing the students see the dorms for the first time and what college life would actually look like after high school.
But compare it to these.
I honestly think it's a great experience. I really fell in love with this campus because I feel like everyone together here is like a community, compared to other schools where everyone's just their own individual student.
One of the key parts of this program is we wanted it to be as accessible as possible, and so because of that we have free registration as well as free transportation, free lunches, and they actually get a stipend at the end of the camps. And so we really wanted to remove as many barriers as possible to reach the students who maybe don't have these opportunities typically.